Today I'm going to show you an awesome Marq feature called Dynamic Resize. This feature allows you to take any size document and quickly and easily resize it into another size document. This is great for teams that want to use the same style of artwork across a number of different mediums, a number of different sizes, and a number of different use cases for that artwork in particular. The way you do this is over in the right-hand side, you'll click the Dynamic Resize button, and you'll select one of the three options there. Object-based is the one that I prefer to use, but they all work great for their different use cases. For this example, we'll go with object-based. And from there, once we have that selected, all you have to do is change the different size document that you're looking for. So if I want to take this 8.5 by 11 flyer, make it a little bit bigger into a small poster, I can do that quickly and easily, and it scales appropriately there. From there, I can go make it a little bit bigger, and all of those objects move in tandem, and then even bring it back down and make it a little bit smaller. Using the Dynamic Resize feature is great in tandem with our page templates feature as well. I recommend that you watch the video on how to use our page templates features next to see how these two can be used in tandem together. Thank you. Bye.